Hi guys. In this video I am going to talk about two cryptocurrencies that I believe will go nuts this year. I expect massive growth from these two cryptocurrencies. And yes, I will start buying these two cryptos as well. For those who don't know me, I am a day trader. On December 1st, 2020 I started a challenge on how to earn a monthly dividend of $3,000. With a starter's budget of $1,000. And every month I will add $200 to this project. For me, there are two ways to earn dividends. One is from stocks and the other is from cryptocurrency. The strategy is simple. I use my profits from day trading in options, stocks and crypto to buy dividend stocks and Cardano ADA coins to stack. So if you want to grow with me to a monthly dividend of $3,000, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The first crypto that I believe will moon is KeeperDAO. KeeperDAO is a decentralized finance liquidity pool. KeeperDAO enables users to pool capital into Ethereum smart contracts to collectively profit from on-chain arbitrage and liquidation opportunities. Capital staked in these pools, such as USDC and DAI, is then used to exploit on-chain profit opportunities presented by protocols such as Compound, DYDX, MakerDAO and DDEX. These opportunities are not always present and occur often in times of high volatility. To mitigate having a large pool of capital being underutilized, all assets held by the liquidity pool are also constantly loaned out on markets such as Compound and DYDX. How are profits generated by KeeperDAO? Keepers borrow funds from a communal pool of compatible assets. Anyone can borrow from the pool to leverage on-chain opportunities. Profits from the on-chain opportunity are returned to the pool. Profits are distributed between keepers and liquidity providers, LPs. Liquidity providers are anyone who deposits assets to the liquidity pool. KeeperDAO is maintained by a network of off-chain bots, who constantly watch the Ethereum mempool for opportunities. And if found, it will initiate an Ethereum transaction to participate in a priority gas auction, PGA, competitively bidding up transaction fees. In order to obtain priority ordering within Ethereum blocks. When KeeperDAO wins a PGA, funds are rebalanced through an on-chain rebalancer network. To guarantee that KeeperDAO wins liquidations and arbitrage, it uses a game-theoretical optimal strategy to submit Ethereum transactions. This ensures that KeeperDAO transactions will be prioritized over other people trying to win the same liquidations and arbitrages. By using a game-theoretically optimal strategy to PGAs, KeeperDAO ensures that it is more profitable to cooperate than to compete. Both KeeperDAO and potential competitors will earn better profits over time by cooperating. The PGA is performed by multiple off-chain bots that constantly watch for liquidations and arbitrage to appear. When it sees these opportunities, it engages in the game theoretically optimal strategy to submit transactions. However, it's not only these bots that can submit transactions. Anyone can attempt to use KeeperDAO assets. KeeperDAO contracts are permissionless, but enforce that non-profitable transactions are reverted, and incentivize users to return all of their profits. Not all assets in the liquidity pool will be utilized by keepers at all times. To maximize profitability, KeeperDAO takes underutilized assets and distributes them to yielders. These contracts are custom integrations that deploy assets to other yield-generating protocols. This could be through lending, automated market making, automated portfolio management, and so on. Anyone is able to develop, test, and propose a yielder for integration into KeeperDAO. And the KeeperDAO governance mechanism is responsible for determining how many assets are deployed to which yielders. Where the goal is to minimize risk and maximize returns. Growth potential. Rook is a token of KeeperDAO. The token of KeeperDAO opened at its debut price of $29.61. Currently the value is around $422.60 when making this video. I believe KeeperDAO can keep on growing. I think with the recent growth in Rook has attracted the attention of investors to check out KeeperDAO. The more Ether or other stable coins that are being staked at KeeperDAO, the more opportunities KeeperDAO has to make a profit. Currently they give you very interesting rates for staking at their pool. For example, for Ethereum they pay an interest of 42.67%. Seems pretty high, right? There is a catch though. And that is that they pay you 1.05% interest in Ether and the rest of the interest they pay in Rook. Currently KeeperDAO has a market cap of 125 to 130 million. I think its market cap can grow into $1 billion easily. Being paid interest in Rook seems great to me, if you see how much Rook has been going up in value. Do you like the video so far? If so, then give this video a thumbs up please. And subscribe to my channel for more updates on KeeperDAO. The second crypto that has a lot of potential is Aave. Aave is a decentralized lending system that allows users to lend, borrow and earn interest on crypto assets, all without middlemen. Running on the Ethereum blockchain, Aave instead is a system of smart contracts that enables these assets to be managed by a distributed network of computers running its software. This means Aave users do not need to trust a particular institution or person to manage their funds. They need only trust that its code will execute as written. At its core, the Aave software enables the creation of lending pools that enable users to lend or borrow 17 different cryptocurrencies including Aave, BAT and Mana. Like other decentralized lending systems on Ethereum, Aave borrowers must post collateral before they can borrow. Further, they can only borrow up to the value of the collateral they post. Borrowers receive funds in the form of a special token known as a token, which is pegged to the value of another asset. This token is then encoded so lenders receive interest on their deposits. A borrower may post collateral in DAI, for example, and borrow in Aave. This allows a borrower to gain exposure to different cryptocurrencies without owning them outright. Aave can also introduce additional features, such as instant loans, and other forms of issuing debt and credit that take advantage of the unique design properties of blockchains. Growth potential. Aave is the market leader in the decentralized finance world. A lot of cryptos are being staked here or are being put as collateral. As we are still in the bull market for cryptos with the altcoins, stablecoins and DeFi tokens on the rise, the value of Aave will continue to go up. And as long Aave can keep on attracting lenders and borrowers with their services, I can see that Aave can 10x this year. When so many people are expecting that cryptos will moon this year, I think that a lot of people are going to hold on their cryptos and stake it to earn some extra cryptocurrencies. It is after all the best way to earn extra without doing much. If Aave can add more crypto coins this year, then Aave is going to explode. Aave plans for 2021. As Ethereum continues to grow in adoption and price, Aave has plans to make sure they are the primary DeFi protocol on the platform. Integrations-led Mark Zeller told BitPush News they plan to launch Aave on top of several Layer 2 solutions in the coming weeks. They are continuing to innovate with new ideas, and predict 20 million DeFi users by the end of 2021. The Aave team strongly believes that Layer 2 will revolutionize Ethereum, and make high transaction fees laughable. People this summer will discover DeFi and be on board on DeFi, and they will never believe us when we will tell them how much we spend in 2020 in transaction fees. They will just not believe us because for them, dozens of actions will cost like $1 or cents. Even though Ethereum is the biggest DeFi platform currently, there are competitors looking to take its spot. Two of these are Cardano and Polkadot, which have seen significant price increases in this bullrun. Aave is open to the idea of building on these platforms, making the protocol multi-blockchain and opening it up to even more users. Expanding decentralized finance services outside of Ethereum, of the Ethereum playground, to discover new programs, to meet new user base, to onboard new kinds of assets. And that's probably going to be one of the main focus of 2021. We call these platforms the new frontiers. I hope that everybody has enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, if you haven't already. The more likes it get, the more YouTube will promote this video. This way more people will get to know to KeeperDAO and Aave. Subscribe to my channel for updates on KeeperDAO, Aave, Cardano, Neo stocks and other great investment opportunities. For now I wish everybody a great Sunday and have a fun day.